In a familiar pattern seen with new DJI drone releases, the upcoming DJI Avata 2 has been fully exposed in a recent unboxing video, hinting at its imminent official launch. Expected to cater to FPV flying enthusiasts, this next generation seems poised to address some of the shortcomings of its predecessor, the original DJI Avata, which debuted in 2022. The initial Avata aimed to provide an entry point for FPV flying novices, albeit hindered by certain design flaws and the absence of key features like obstacle avoidance sensors. However, leaks surrounding the Avata 2 suggest a significant effort to rectify these issues and enhance the overall user experience. Numerous unboxing and hands-on videos have surfaced across social media platforms, notably on X, formerly known as Twitter, offering enthusiasts a glimpse into what the Avata 2 has to offer. Among these, Quadro News stands out with a particularly detailed showcase. These leaks build upon earlier glimpses provided by leaked images of the Fly More Combo's retail packaging, stirring up anticipation for the impending official reveal. The unboxing video showcases the sleek design of the Avata 2 drone, noticeably more compact than its predecessor. Accompanying it in the Fly More Combo bundle are the DJI Goggles 3 headset, DJI FPV Remote Controller 3, and RC Motion 3 joystick controller, all recently spotted in FCC filings. What sets the Avata 2 apart? The unboxing videos provide insights beyond the speculated specifications, such as the inclusion of a larger 1 by 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, promising 4K video capabilities and 48-megapixel photo capture, along with DJI's latest stabilization technologies like Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady. Known for its loud flight, the original Avata may see a quieter successor, hinted by an 81 decibels rating on the box. Notably, the DJI Goggles 3 headset features dual front cameras, suggesting potential new augmented reality functionalities awaiting exploration. While earlier leaks hinted at a slight weight increase to 458 grams from the current 410 grams model, the Avata 2 flaunts a more streamlined design with a smaller body. Despite the abundance of leaks, recent speculation on X points towards a mid-April official launch for the Avata. Leaked images from Quadro News hint at the inclusion of rear sensors in the new drone, augmenting its safety features and potentially reducing collision incidents, particularly with obstacles like trees. Although forward-facing sensors would have been welcomed, this addition promises improved automated safety measures. The Avata 2's sleeker design is visually appealing, with practical adjustments such as relocating the SD card slot to the side of the drone, eliminating the inconvenience of its original placement inside one of the blade rings. While FPV drones remain niche, the Avata 2 could stand out as a top choice for hobbyists seeking both captivating video capabilities and an exhilarating flying experience. Although it may not dominate the broader drone market, its potential for enthusiasts is notable. One aspect yet to be unveiled is pricing. For reference, the original Avata was priced at $629 without accessories, while the ProView bundle, featuring the Goggles 2 and Motion Controller 2, retailed for $1,388 in 2022. In short, as expectations mount for the official launch of the DJI Avata 2, fans eagerly await the opportunity to experience its promised advancements in FPV flying technology. With leaks hinting at a sleeker design, improved safety features, and enhanced video capabilities, the Avata 2 seems poised to address the shortcomings of its predecessor and deliver a more seamless and exhilarating flying experience.